ChatGPT just killed Photoshop, kind of. Yesterday, OpenAI dropped a model that can design an entire magazine. And here is what actually have changed and why it matters even if you have never generated an image in your life. Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic AI, and in this video we're going to talk about the brand new capability of image generation tool from OpenAI. And if we see here in OpenAI website, it is celebrated, and here you can see how good actually this look like. So here you can see the capability of it, greater precision and control, which is really good. Not only conceptualize more sophisticated image, but it also bring that vision to life effectively. It can able to follow instruction, preserve requested detail, and render the fine grain elements. So what actually this particular image generation bring? As we can see here, it says it have got higher resolution of images and better coherence. It also have got better text rendering and recursive comprehension. And here we can see this entire magazine was created using OpenAI. And here we can also see the prompt that is being utilized to create this. Now let me actually close this, and now let's simply jump into here, and I'm gonna give it some of example prompt, starting with I want to print a maximum menu. And here I'm just paste this prompt here, and I'm gonna hit on create an image, and then here I can select the type of it, whether we want studio headshot, nighttime flash, anime, and blueprint poster. So here I'm gonna paste the prompt that I want to create. Now let me click here on send prompt. Now here I am asking it to create a printed menu for an upscale Mexican restaurant called Casa de Sol. And here you can see how good they're spelling it. And then I also mentioned in the place, and then I ask it to create 3 section, which here we can see is being created. So here you itself can see how refined and clear this image is. Now let me actually give it another prompt to see how good it is in case of thumbnail competency. And now I'm gonna create thumbnail for this video, and let's see how it create. And there you go. You can see how good this picture look like, and I can actually use this as thumbnail for this video. And that's wrap up this video. Hope that you find it helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI, where we try to cover different AI tools that help us to improve our productivity. Let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.